Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Two Phones, aka I Take You Out Guy, here with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the fast wireless charging stand. All right. So, and it's by Techdoty. So shout out to Techdoty for sending me the wireless charger. All right, there we go. Okay, this is by USB, micro USB, and you get the same usual manuals and stuff. All right. So no further ado, I'm gonna go ahead get the stand out. Okay, this is the stand. All right, that's the stand. And then what you're gonna do is find a wireless device. You're gonna sit it right here, like that. Okay, so that's how your device is gonna sit up on the stand. I think it looks pretty cool, stylish. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the phone off real quick and go ahead and plug this bad boy up. All right, here we go. Okay. All right. Plug it in like that. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, there was power. Okay. So, no further ado, put the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge on it. Just place it. And there's a light. And there we go. See the animation? And here we are. And it is, let me see, it's charging. Okay. So, yeah, this is the pretty much basic setup of the wireless charging stand. I think it looks pretty stylish. Looks pretty neat, as you can see. All right, good job, Techdoty. Okay. I think that stand goes for like $18, $17. So you can catch this on Amazon.com if you need a wireless charging stand dock. I'll put the link in the description box. But yeah, guys, here we are with the unboxing and setup of the Techdoty fast charging wireless stand. Do you guys use wireless chargers? If you have a Samsung Galaxy, a Nexus 6, LG phone, or even an iPhone, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about wireless charging and yeah, how fast does your phone like actually charge? You know, with a basic cable, you know, so yeah. All right, here it is, guys. Leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the wireless charging stand dock? All right, it's your boy, Two Phones. I'm out.